got some tires for the wheels today. Been just using this little hand machine to put them on.
It's actually the best invention since sliced bread.
If I set the camera down.
Okay. Alright. Bring her over to the tire machine.
Yeah, mine.
You gotta lift this up first. Then you put it in. Oh! Like that. Like that. Like that. Press it down. Oh, we gotta put lube on that.
Yeah.
Go grab some lube. They're Nexans. They ain't bad. The other side's got a lot. Alright, I think that's enough. I believe well.
Alright.
Where's my staying edge? Oh, found it. I got this.
I got that thing. Ugh.
Hold on. Okay, go. And then pop it on.
What you know?
Super easy. I'm not even winded and I got that.
Yeah. Did you ever come across a little antique tire machine? They're worth it. Here, look. Got the tires and the wheels. We're like Arby's. We have the meat.
We have Dusty.
Looking good. She's on the ground and she needs to be lowered.
Bad. The front will be better.
Yeah, the front, of course, still got the weight of the engine on it. But
It's cambered out big time because there's no weight to camber it back in.